Welcome back to Maker's Journey Workshop. I'm your host, Benjamin Davies, and today we're making letter openers. Y'all come on inside the shop. Over the next month, we're going to share with you some products that you can take and sell at farmers markets and craft shows. It's how we got started here at BT Iron. All right, so I know letters are a little bit dated, but when I went to military school years ago, we'd go check the PX every day at lunch. And if you got a letter, you were flying high the rest of the day, and you would reread that thing 15 or 20 times. It was before social media, it was before smartphones, and in military school, we couldn't have those things anyways. Starting stock size. It's just a 3/8 inch round bar by about 29 inches long. We have them for drops for something else in the shop, and it was quick and easy to grab. All right, so there's forging and there's forming. And so up to this point, we've done some forging. And then as soon as we approach our jig, that's forming. What we're getting ready to do over here over the horn, because we bent this stuff back, you can actually make some jigs and do all this in a jig. I'm just showing you a way to do it over a horn. Whenever I first started out, the first couple jigs I made, that didn't work like I wanted, so it intimidated me from making jigs. Stick with it. You're only gonna get better if you make a lot. So that's okay, don't be discouraged. Hair check, makeup, cool. Take my safety glasses off that are clear. Stay. All right, so whenever I'm working out a new product and I'm trying to figure out the lengths of things, if I sit and I stare at a formula for too long or anything where I have to read for too long, my mind is pretty day outside. Anyways, I will start out with oversized lengths like we do in a lot of our videos. And I'll make sure I measure these lengths first for all three guys. And then I'll go through and I'll get the average of them. And so you take the average of those three pieces, and so your drops to make letter openers from here on out. All right, in this next step, we get to use our Hardy tool. We just made this Hardy tool a couple weeks ago in the video right here. And the great thing about this is it allows us to not have to work off the edge of the anvil. And what we're going to do is some half on, half off hammer blows. And that way we can planish and draw that edge out a little bit. And that's going to be less work for us at the grinder. I hate grinding. If you enjoy it, don't do this step. Last step before polishing is we're going to go to the grinder. And what you want to do first is you want to get a profile and you want to clean those edges up before you start to actually try to put an edge on it. We don't put a crazy edge on it. Again, it's 3/8 mild steel. We're opening letters here. We're not sawing through carcasses or anything crazy. Thank y'all so much for watching today. I hope you enjoyed watching us make this letter opener. Get out there, try some of your own. They're pretty fun, and they're a great little item you can take to craft shows. So this is the part where we say, we'll see you next week. No, we'll see you tomorrow. Thank y'all so much for being here. Smash that subscribe button. We'll see y'all tomorrow. Here's what our first letter opener looked like years ago. I was so proud of it. I went up to my wife and met her halfway through the yard as she got home. I said, look at this, baby. We're gonna make some money. And she looked at it, she said, oh, that's really nice. What is it? Thankfully, we've gotten a little bit better since, and we were able to make this dream a reality for us. It ended up being much bigger and better than what we hoped. And